Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 10 and this is part C biology. Let us answer the part C biology. This is part 3 key answers. So now the biology part will start from the ninth main. The ninth main 15th question. So let us see what is that 15th question. So the large number of filtration units packed together is called neuron, heart, nephron, small intestine. So among these four options, the right option is option C, that is nephron. So option C, nephron is the right answer. Now let us move for the 16th question. So the 16th question is, among the following which has two-chambered heart? So species, human, frog, crocodile. So among these four options, the right option is option A, species, that is fishes. So fishes will have two-chambered heart. So now let us move for the 10th main, that is question number 17. So what is the question number 17? That is why veins have valves. So the veins will have the valves. Why they asked? Because to avoid backflow of deoxygenated blood. To avoid backflow of deoxygenated blood. That is to avoid backflow of carbon dioxide rich blood. So that is the answer for the 17th question. Now let us move for the 18th question. So the 18th question is, write the pathways in breakdown of glucose. So we have to write the pathway for the breakdown of glucose. So let us write the pathway for the breakdown of glucose. So we know that glucose is a 6 carbon compound. This glucose 6 carbon compound is converted into 3 carbon compound called as pyruvate. 6 carbon compound is glucose and 3 carbon compound is pyruvate. Glucose is converted into pyruvate in cytoplasm of cell. Now pyruvate, so what will pyruvate will be converted? Let us see. This is the pathway. Pyruvate, that is in presence of oxygen, in absence of oxygen, and in lack of oxygen. So let us see what happens. So in pyruvate, glucose, which is a 6 carbon, is converted into 3 carbon compound called pyruvate in the cytoplasm of the cell. So pyruvate in presence of oxygen in mitochondria, that is pyruvate will be converted into carbon dioxide, water, and it releases 36 ATP of energy. This is one pathway. Another pathway, so pyruvate in absence of oxygen in cytoplasm itself is converted into ethanol plus carbon dioxide and releases 2 ATP of energy. Then pyruvate in muscle cells in absence of, in lack of oxygen, so pyruvate is converted into lactic acid. So this is the pathway for the breakdown of glucose in that is breakdown of glucose. So now let us move for the 19th question. So what is there in the 19th question? Let us see. What are villi? Write its function. So what are villi? So villi andre eno? So in a small intestine, there is a finger like projection. Projection called villi. called villi. Then what are the functions of villi? So villi na functions ke barana. Let us list the functions of villi. So the first function of villi is that it increases the area of absorption of digested food. And the second function of villi is that it makes the digested food to flow. It makes the digested food to flow into blood, so that the blood carries the digested food to each and every cell present in our body. So this is about how that is villi will function. So now let us move for the 20th question. So in the 20th question they asked what is translocation. A and B question, how translocation occurs in plants. So let us answer both the questions now. So the A question is what is translocation? So translocation is the process of transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called translocation. This is the definition of translocation. Next, B question, how translocation occurs in plant. So to explain that one, the first point, the food prepared in leaves will be sucrose with some ATP of energy. It moves into companion cells. Then second point, companion cells always associated with sieve tubes. Now food moves from companion cell to sieve tubes. At the same time, water from xylem flows into sieve tubes. Then the fourth point, due to osmotic pressure, the food starts to move both in upward and downward direction. So this is how the food prepared in the leaves will move both in upward as well as in downward direction. So this is about what we call it as that is how the translocation occur in plants. Now let us move for the 21st question. The 21st question is a diagram question, that is we have to write a neat label diagram of human heart. By this we have successfully completed the practice paper number 10. That is, in that practice paper number 10 we have answered all the questions related to biology. In the next video we are going to solve completely in one video. I am going to completely answer all the three parts, that is part A, part B and part C will be answered in one video only. So that is practice paper number 11. So thanks for everyone for your great support. So those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Thanks everyone for your great support. Thank you very much.